Most people don't realize how fast the body can start improving when you follow the right healing sequence. We're talking changes in weeks, not months or years. Your body doesn't need perfection. It doesn't need 50 supplements. It doesn't need extreme diets. It simply needs things done in the right order. Once the sequence is right, the body responds incredibly quickly. I've seen people who struggle for years with fatigue, inflammation, bloating, poor sleep, pain, and within weeks of applying the proper biological order, small shifts began happening. Waking up with more energy, clearer mind, calmer mood, less bloating, deeper sleep, fewer cravings. These are the first signs that your body is finally unblocking. What people feel first in weeks. These early changes happen because the body is no longer fighting itself. It's finally cooperating. 1. More steady energy, because minerals, hydration, and nervous system support restore your internal electrical system. 2. Better sleep, because fight or flight begins to switch off. Sleep is the first healing superpower the body restores. 3. Less bloating plus smoother digestion, because digestion turns back on once stress drops and stomach acid rises. 4. Less inflammation and joint stiffness, because cellular communication improves and detox pathways open. 5. Calmer mind plus fewer cravings, because blood sugar stabilizes as the adrenals calm. 6. Brighter skin plus better circulation, because hydration and detox finally start working properly. 7. More emotional stability. This often surprises people, but when inflammation drops, emotions stabilize too. These small improvements are not random. They are signals that your body is finally following the right sequence, and the big healing hasn't even started yet. The restoration sequence. When we open detox pathways, hydrate the body, calm the nervous system, repair digestion, restore communication, build energy, and then activate stem cells, the body responds fast because it's finally supported, not overwhelmed. If your progress has been slow, it's not because your body can't heal. It's because nobody gave you the right order. If you want to understand which step your body needs first, I offer a free 30-minute health consultation on Zoom. Click the link or comment ready to book your session.